again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at some brand new tips that Btartbox has kindly sent over for us to take a look at. So these are their brand new red tips. I got them in medium almond and I also got them in long square. We're going to take a look at both packs today. So these are predominantly red. I think there's 5 different shades of red in there. So we'll just quickly take a look at these colours. I like these packs that come with 5 different kind of colours. Right, so we've got like your standard kind of blood red, I think that is. And then this one's got more of like, it's like an orangey red. Then this is a really deep, I don't know, I'd say that's more of a blood red really. And then this is a bit like a deep kind of burgundy, I think. And then this does look like a really dark brown on camera, but it has still got that kind of red undertone to it. So I'll just show you the 2 darker ones side by side there. So yeah, the darker one was like a blood and the other one's more of a bright red, isn't it? And then that's the bright red with the orangey type one. So for anybody that's new, the Btartbox tips, they're soft gel tips. They're all primed, ready to go. They've got your primer layer, your base coat layer, and then they've got the colour coat layer, and they just need finishing off with the protecting duo, which I will show you later on in the video. And then obviously on top of that colour layer, these have got the pre-coloured French tip on them as well. In my opinion, they are the best gel tips out there. They are the most expensive, but they are fantastic quality. So same again with the almond ones. All the colours are exactly the same. I think these have got like a thicker French than the last kind of nude pastel almond tips that I had from Btartbox. These have got like the smile line is not as deeper on these, which I quite like. So we've got 3 kinds of gel glue from Btartbox. We've got this kind of standard gel glue that you get in a bottle. It's a similar consistency to a builder in a bottle, maybe a little bit thinner than a builder in a bottle. Then we've got this solid gel glue in a tube. This is actually my favourite. I love that this from Btartbox has got the precision tip as well, so not too much comes out. And then we've got this gap filled solid nail gel. This is really good for people that have got sloping nails. This is like your solid kind of tip gel, non-stick kind of tip gel that's really popular at the minute. This is really good for people that have got nails that like slope or point downwards. This is really good at filling that kind of gap. And then lastly, I'll just quickly show you. So this is the French protecting duo, number 1 and number 2. So we've got number 1, which is the builder gel, and number 2, which is the top coat. I'll show you them in a little bit more detail and why you need them later on in the video. And with these tips being stuck on this strip, it makes it so easy to just choose out your sizes. So you want to make sure these tips fit really snug sidewall to sidewall. Got all my sizes picked out, ready to go there. So quick bit of nail prep. I'm just going to quickly push all my cuticles back and then scrape away any dead skin that's on my nail bed. Dead skin will cause lifting, so try your best to get rid of any dead skin around your cuticle area. And then I'm going to use a buffer. You need to buff all that shine off your natural nail. Gel won't stick to the shine on your natural nail, so get it really buffed and scuffed up. And then a really good clean, get rid of any dust. So I've got my lamp on, ready to go there. So I'm using the solid tip gel that came in the tube. So this is my pinky. I'm just doing a tiny little blob in the middle and then a tiny little blob on each side. So slowly press it down at my cuticle area, and then I'm just going to lower that tip and whack it straight under that lamp for a flash cure. So quick and easy. So because this nail is a little bit bigger, I'm just going to spread that glue out a little bit more. So same again, I kind of press it and slide it at the same time into my cuticle, and again straight under that lamp. So I will just show you doing one more. Don't blink because you'll miss it. I'll show you doing one more. Again, it's a bigger tip. It's my middle nail. Little bit more gel. Spread it out. And can you see I kind of slide it into my cuticle as I'm pressing it down and get it straight under that lamp. These will need to go into a full size lamp for a full 60 seconds once you've got them all on. So I'm just going to file those little knobbly bits off the tips where they were attached to the frame. And then that is these nails, not done but fully attached, and these are going to last up to 30 days easily. If you prep your nails properly, 30 days easily. Right, so because I like to keep these beginner friendly and I don't like to cover them up too much, we're just going to whack some stickers on, keeping it very easy, very beginner friendly. I did want to use the blood drips, but they're not quite curved enough to go around my cuticle, so I decided to do my own blood drips and just add a couple of stickers to the two middle nails. And I've also pulled out a little metal kind of knife. It's a knife. Right, so I pulled out Red Addict from Nail Reserve, which I thought was the perfect match. So I've just put a little bit of that on my palette, and starting with a dotting tool, I'm just going to put little dots of the red where I want my drips. I kind of wanted them just off to the left. I took them a little bit too far over to the right, but this still looked good. So I've done 3 drops where I want my drips to be, and then using a really thin brush, I'm just going to take those dots up to the cuticle area. So just pull through that dot straight up like that. And once we've pulled them straight up to the cuticle area, we're just going to kind of colour in the cuticle area. Join those dots up at the top like that. Like, they're like a letter N, just arches, aren't they? Half circles, arches, whatever. Join them up like that. And then I'm just going to colour the rest of it in. I am going to do exactly the same on the pinky, except I'm going to do the drips more over to the right rather than over to the left. I will do the pinky off camera because it's exactly the same as what I've just done here. So once I'm happy with that, that's going to go in the lamp then for a full 60 seconds cure. Right, so there we go, that's the pinky being done as well. They've both been fully cured. So onto the stickers now. I'm just going to start peeling these stickers. I just want stickers on the middle 2 nails. So that one's going on there that says Scream for Me. That's got little blood drips on it as well. Make sure you stick it down fully all around those edges. If there's any edges that are not stuck down, when it comes to adding the builder gel and the top coat, it's going to go under the stickers and the stickers are going to stick up. So make sure they're fully flat, fully sealed. And now we're going in with the Protecting Duo number 1, which is the builder gel. So full cover of the builder gel, and make sure you cap the free edge. So where that red French tip is, make sure you fully seal that in, or else it'll chip, it'll scuff, the colour will come off. As long as you fully protect that with the builder gel and then again with the top coat, they're going to last 30 days. They're going to look as good on day 30 as they did on day 1. Right, now that builder gel's cured, we're going to go in with the top coat now. I would cure the builder gel for 60 seconds, and I think this top coat will just need 30 seconds. But if you're using quite a low powered lamp, I would double cure my gels. Personally, if I was using a low powered lamp, I'd double cure everything just to be safe. Right, so to finish these off, I noticed this knife charm, the blood on it, it looked a little bit pink to me. So all I've done is the red that I've already got on my palette. I'm just going to go over this blood again with the red that I've used, so it will completely match the nails perfectly. So just a quick paint over that, and I've stuck that in the lamp. I give it a double cure just because I did put it on a little bit thick. So where I'm going to put my glue gel, I'm just scuffing it up a little bit with a file, just so that glue gel will really grip onto this nail, because I think I'd top coated it And obviously gels, they don't stick to a shiny surface. So I've just scuffed it up with a nail file, and I'm just using the glue gel that I've stuck the nails on with for this nail charm. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to give this thumb another top coat, just so that I can really seal it in all around the edges of that knife so it's not going to come off. Really push that top coat right up to the edge of that knife and completely seal it in. And then that's going to get one last cure, and that'll be this set finished. Super quick, super easy, and super beginner friendly. Right guys, there we go. That is this set finished. I am obsessed. I'm even thinking of doing my right hand as well and leaving these on over the Halloween period. We shall see. If I've got time, I will, because I love them and they're so quick and easy, and they're going to last me easily till well after Halloween. Anyway, that is it for today guys. I will leave a link to everything I've used in today's video down in my description box. Don't forget, I've got a discount code for Btartbox. Everything will be down in the description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, and guys, if you're not subscribed, please just check if you are subscribed. 60% of my viewers that are watching me time and time again are not subscribed, so please just check that you've clicked the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.